What's up? My name is Tway, and welcome to a whole new season of Making It Big, the show where we take your favorite foods and turn it giant. In this season, we are filming every single episode on a virtual reality camera. That is so cool. So if you see that my table is a little warped right here, that's why. You can watch the full VR episode with a Meta Quest 2 in Mega Tasty. That's our virtual cooking world within Horizon Worlds, or on Meta Quest TV. Today, I have a very special guest. Come on out, friend.
Is this Tway House?
Yes! You
yeah.
guys, it's Jacques Slade.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.
This is a nice kitchen, by the way. I kind of want this for my house.
Yeah, well, it's mine. Anyways.
Wow, okay. I love it.
I invited you here because we share a love for a specific something.
You are absolutely right. It is the best thing ever. Gummy bear, gummy bear, gummy bear.
How big?
How about this big?
Oh, like this big?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, see, that okay is too easy. Hold on, since it's all so easy for you to do this.
Okay.
How about this big?
Honestly, can't promise you this big, but I can definitely try.
I'm just worried about the three things. That's all I worry about.
So taste,
Taste,
texture, and visual.
and visual.
All right, let's make it big. This is all the gelatin that I will be using. This is flavored gelatin, you know, like those little packets. This is actually about like 70 of those packets. So if you're in Hollywood and you're looking for gelatin, it's all right here. I'm sorry. We also have 2 quarts of unflavored gelatin because if I'm just going to be using these alone, it's not going to turn the bear into a gummy. It will just basically be like a Jello bear instead of a gummy bear. Over here, we have the mold. So this is about 2 feet long. The art department did an amazing job. So I have pineapple here, I have lime. We're just gonna combine all of that together and call it a fruit punch gummy. I'm gonna start off by juicing up some limes for lime juice. I need about like a gallon of lime juice, so however many limes that would take me. Ooh, juicy. So let's see, that wasn't even, that was probably like 1 tablespoon. Ooh. Damn, I have a lot of limes left to do. So here's my lime juice, here's my mango juice, and here's my pineapple juice. I am going to pour all of that in here. I can take a bath in here. This is massive. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, stay back. I don't want you to inhale this. Don't breathe. I got you. And this is only half of the batch that we're doing because, I mean, if we're gonna add the whole thing, it's too much. I'm gonna go ahead and use this big whisk. Whoa, look at the colors. This is pretty. I love how I can taste the air right now. It tastes really good. Let's do it. Whoa, look at the color. And then our pineapple juice. It smells really, really good too. I have to make sure to mix it really, really well to hydrate all the gelatin in here. If we don't, it's not going to set right. I have my friend over here, Tiny Tway. She's gonna tell me some fun facts about gummy bears. Okay, let's hear it. Apparently, gummy bears were invented in 1922 by Haribo. I didn't know that. And the gummy bear shape was inspired by European dancing bears. I would like to see those bears. Okay guys, Tiny Toy just told me something crazy. So according to Haribo, the annual production of the gold bears lined up all like next to each other, it can wrap around the globe 10 times. That's a lot of gummy bears. Here we go. It smells so good. Exactly like a fruit punch, just hot. Hot fruit punch. Okay, this is the second batch. Here we go. I feel like, whoa. That could have been really bad. I feel like this is Build-A-Bear, but I mean, it is Build-A-Bear, right? I need you guys to help me out there. Okay, I think I got it. Whoa. All right, I hope Jacques will enjoy this bear as much as I enjoy making this bear. Now I am going to let this chill in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, I'm all alone. I just feel like I need to give it a few taps to really ensure that it comes out. Also just buying a little time because I'm really nervous. Ready? Oh my baby, look at this! Like, look at how big this is. This is probably half my height. So what's that, like 3 feet? No, 2 feet. 2.5 feet. Packaging, let's go. This is the moment of truth. The giant gummy bear is done. And I think Jacques is here. He's going to freak when I show him this.
Tway.
Come on in.
Yes.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, that looks just like a gummy bear. That is so. Oh, you are the best.
Okay, so looking at this, did I pass?
Yes.
Is he big?
This is so big. Oh, look at the details. You can see like the eyes and
Yeah.
the nose.
Can you guess how big he is? Like, how much does he weigh?
At least 25 pounds, maybe?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Gilbert right here is 50 pounds.
50 pounds?
50
Oh my
pounds.
goodness.
Are you ready?
I am.
I think we should sacrifice him.
Oh, is that the word we're gonna use? We're going to
We will experience
Gilbert.
Experience
Yes.
Gilbert. Let's experience Gilbert.
That's.
I think we got this.
Yes, this is enough.
Okay, so it looks like a gummy bear.
Yes.
But we gotta find out if it tastes like a gummy bear.
Oh, poor Gilbert. Gilbert, we're turning him to Gilbert Van Gogh.
Here, this is yours.
Okay.
I'ma just do this.
Oh, you are you? All right, let me cut me a little piece off here. Yeah.
That's a gummy
That's
bear.
a gummy bear. It's really good. But at this point, I think you've done what I asked you to do. She made it big. And we'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye, Tway.
Make sure to share with.
Nope. This is not a shareable size.
You're right.
It's not a shareable size.
In the comments below, let me know what I should make big next, and I'll see you next time.